In this movie, we're going to take a look at viewing and modifying 360 VR metadata of where we left off with in the last movie. So if you're just tuning in, I suggest you got to hop back to the first movie because we go over importing the clips as well as creating our initial project inside of Premiere Pro. But here I just wanted to show you this was added as of Premiere Pro CC 2017. So you want to make sure that you're on that, the newest application. But what got added is our ability to now see the metadata properties associated with our 360 VR clips. So what do I mean by that? I'm actually just going to select a clip here, and by right-clicking it, I'm able to see this clip's properties. And added in CC 2017 is this area down here where now these clips, these equirectangular clips get flagged. We can see here our VR projection is set to that equirectangular. The layout is set to monoscopic or mono. And the captured view that was used, 360 degrees horizontal by 180 degrees vertical. So all this information is seen on the clip when you import it inside of Premiere Pro. This didn't used to be the case in Premiere Pro CC 2015.3. So if you don't see this, I suggest that you upgrade so that you can follow along with the rest of this course. Big question is, what happens if Premiere Pro misinterprets this? Because this could then cause the footage to be shown incorrectly, and you might need to switch it manually, or that information might not be there at all. In this case, let me just close out my properties window. You want to be able to select a clip. I'm going to select the second one down in the list, and I'm going to right-click it. I'm going to choose Modify Interpret Footage. One of the options here in the Interpret Footage dialog box, if we scroll all the way down to our VR properties, and it says, do you want to use the properties from this file? If it didn't say what you want it to, you can conform it to something else. Now, the options for projection aren't plentiful. In fact, you only have one. Right now, Premiere Pro can only see equirectangular footage. So we could select that, then choose a different layout. In case this was a stereo clip of over and under, we could select those settings, and then choose our horizontal captured view followed by our vertical. If you need to, you can come down to this VR properties settings down here and be able to conform it to the footage that you need to, so to put that appropriate stamp on it. But keep in mind that this VR metadata, this 360 VR metadata, can be extremely important for our clips. For any reason, if it doesn't show up as a VR clip, you can give it the metadata that it needs by simply going to the Interpret Footage section on your clip inside the project panel. I'll join you in the next movie where we start to actually take some of these clips and bring them into the source monitor to get them ready for editing.